Swadika everyone, today I will show you how to carve this lovely daikon radish flower just like this. You can use any head vegetable to carve this type of flower. I chosen daikon radish. Let's get started. I have started off the center of the flower here. You cut a circular form and then trim it out to look like this and start carving by insert your knife. You can use the tool, but I think the tool is a little bit large and the feeling of the flower is gotta be different because it's not sharp. The tip of the flower here is not sharp, so I use the knife. You may use the tool if you may. So what you need, you're gonna start the center of the flower by insert your knife. You're gonna cut a V shape by drag your knife and twist and turn. Continue carving like this all around. And then you trim it out after you go around the circle. Difficult to see on the radish. You may use butternut squash or sweet potato to carve this type of flower. Even beet, any head vegetable, it will work. Okay, now continue inside, same technique, twist and turn. You pull the knife out and back in, out and back in. And trim it out. I will do it 2 layers. That'll be enough for the center of the flower. Okay, there you go. Now continue carving on the first layer of the outer layer of this flower. Continue, take your knife, insert. You drag it not so high. That's your first layer, okay? Because we will continue increase the height of the petals as we go expand out. You drag, push, drag it, twist your knife and go back in zigzag. You're gonna use the blade to eat up the radish. It's gonna be zigzag on the vegetable. Then trim it out. Okay, and then before you start the next layer, you need to trim the outside area first Okay, now continue on a second layer on the outside. You gotta go a little bit higher than the first one, so drag your knife upward, drag, the left hand is turning the radish as the right hand is carving the petals. You have to work together in order to get the motion going. Once you get the hang of it, it's go very quickly. When you go all around, go back and trim. Repeat the step. Trim underneath it. Be careful when take out the trimming because you might break the petals if you don't cut deep enough. Okay. Once we complete that, you see how it sunk down? You need to open up this area to start your next layer, the third layer on the outer side. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower this edge down. See how the petals start to stand up? Okay, and then lower some more. Okay, continue. Insert your knife. Don't go all the way here too long. Maybe go 3/4 of this link here. Okay, otherwise it'll be too drastic change of the petals. Go up, down, drag your knife. You see, I didn't take my knife out at all. Just continue, do this. When you get the hang of it, it go very fast. And then trim it out again. Okay, and then again go back and lower the edge down. Every time we lower it down, you expanding the height of your next layer, because right now you only touch the edge. If you lower it, the flower will curve down and you have more space to work with. So you get a larger flower and in a different form. See there how it sloped down? That's why the flower will start to curve it down like this, okay? Now, continue carving. Okay, again, trim it out. I think we can go one more layer, that's it, because I'm running out the space to carve. Okay, see there? So I'm gonna lower it one more time. Each time when you trim it on the outer side and lower it, the edge, that will be the length of your flower. See how it starts to curve down? I'm gonna go one more time. So I'm gonna drag it to the edge of the radish here. Okay, now we're gonna trim that out. You trim it out first to see your petal before you cut the rest of the bottom off. Okay, see there? Now we need to trim this area out. Be careful not to cut your petals. Just trim the side out so your flower will stand out and take shape. There you have it. Radish flower carving. See there? I hope you enjoy today's lesson how to carve this radish flower. This video was filmed in Bangkok. I'm still in Thailand. I hope you enjoy this one and enjoy carving. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.